Hi, welcome back to another video from Balustrades. Today we're going to show you the reasons why we recommend ceramic coating to our customers on all our balustrades. So here we've got mocked up a panel of glass. We've got half uncoated and we've got half ceramic coated, and we're going to show you the benefits and how easy it is to clean a ceramic coated side against the unceramic coated side. So we're going to start with the non-ceramic side. We're going to use a dry cloth because it's easier to showcase how good the ceramic product is. So just fold the cloth over. I'm just going to wipe over. As you can see, it's quite hard to wipe the surface of the glass. It's not really taking off any contaminants whatsoever. Still dirt products all over the place. So we're just going to move over to the ceramic coated side of the glass. And as you can see, the cloth just glides over the surface of the glass. It's really easy to clean, taking off all the marks and the contaminants that's on the glass. So as you can see, this is the reason why we recommend to all our customers that they have ceramic coating on their balustrades. It gives you a 12 months coating and really does make your life easier when cleaning the glass. If you've got any questions about the ceramic coating that we use, please get in touch, drop us an email, and watch out for the next video from Balustrades.